Hello again, YouTube land. I'm Darren with the Isuzu store in Fort Pierce, Florida. Today I bring you another fine Isuzu truck. This one happens to be a crew cab. We've had this one a hot minute, but I haven't shot a video about it yet because it's just a bare chassis. Anyway, there's the stock number. It's a 2027 NPR-HD. What NPR-HD, that's a model number or model code. What it means, it's a 14.5 GVW on this truck. It's got a 6.6 liter, 350 horse gas engine, automatic 8-speed. If you'd like to reach out to me, there's my contact information, phone number and email. So again, Isuzu, gas, NPR-HD. Now, being a crew cab, Isuzus are a little unique that they seat 7 people, 4 in the back and 3 in the front. Like all of our Isuzu trucks, it comes with power windows and locks, tilt and telescoping wheel, cruise control. This one does not have the backup camera. It's just got the standard stereo in it. So there's storage all over these with door pockets, glove box, pockets in the dash, even a place to put your business cards. 4 drink holders in this guy, overhead storage. NPR-HD gas models come with 19.5-inch wheels. Here's the rear of it with the seating for 4 in the back. All of our trucks we sell come with your fire extinguisher and triangles. DOT requirement, they'll already have them. Now, being a bare chassis, this one can handle bodies 14 foot to 16 foot. She's a 176-inch wheelbase. So, something else that makes Isuzu trucks unique is they're very easy to put bodies on. Isuzu makes the frames flat and straight. No rivets poking up, no humps, no nothing, just flat straight. 38-gallon stainless steel fuel tank in it. It's already pre-wired back here for all your body lights or whatever you need to wire up, so mounting bodies on it is super easy. Here's the other side of it. Visibility out of these Isuzus is incredible. Turning radius is incredible. So if you have any questions about this or any other Isuzu truck, I'd love to help you with your transportation needs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification if you want to be kept up to date on the trucks I get in video, and you'll be notified on YouTube when I get them. Thanks for watching.